Okay, hey guys, how you going? Brian here from Lanturia. We've got fly issues when camping at times. Nature's Botanical. This stuff is the bomb. It was put onto us by some guys who owned some horses. They were stockmen out west, and the flies would come and get into the horses' eyes to get the moisture out of their eyes, and of course drive the horses bloody nuts. So they came up with this gear, simple, cream, beautiful, and they just put it in under the eyes. It's actually smells quite nice, and this is all we do as humans as well. Just put the littlest bit under your eyes, and the flies just hate this stuff. They stay like a meter. We were talking to some guys who went out to the Simo, and they said the flies were that bad because it had some rain out there, and of course flies and moisture, all the same thing, and it was just intense. And they pulled this stuff out, whacked it on, and the flies didn't go, but they stood back about a meter, and they were just flying everywhere, but they wouldn't come within that meter range, and they said it was absolutely amazing. Nature's Botanical, it is half rosemary oil and half cedar-wood oil, and it smells quite nice, and it actually bloody works. This is really good stuff. We got it online for about $16. If you can't find online, your local produce place will have it for probably for horses. Okay, give it a go. You got fly hassles, Nature's Botanical, rosemary oil and cedarwood oil. It actually works. It's really cool. Thanks guys.